Now in this example, a is greater than 1 and positive. A is equal to 1 and positive. A is less than 1 but still it is positive. What will happen if A becomes negative? The lines of these lines have positive slope. And if A becomes negative, let's see in the example 15 when A becomes negative. Now y is equal to minus 1 by 3, example number 15. Here A is negative. If we put 0, then it's become 0. So all the lines which have B is equal to 0 are passing from the origin 0, 0. Now we will take the multiple of 3. If x is 3, then y is minus 1. If x is 6, then y is minus 2. If x is 9, then y is minus 3. Now let's draw the line 0, 0, 3 minus 1. This is 3 or minus 1. 6 minus 2. Minus 2. We have enough points, so this line will become this. This is y is equal to minus 1 by 3x line. Now next line is, now here simple y is equal to minus x. If x is 1, then y is minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. Now let's draw 1 minus 1, 0 0 तो रहेगा हमारा 0 0. ठीक, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. This is y is equal to minus x. Now next is y is equal to minus 3x. If x is 0 0, then y is 0. If x is 1, y is minus 3. X is 2, y is minus 6. 3 is a 9. We have enough points. 0 0. Origin will pass kariye because b is 0 there. Now 1 and minus 3. 1 and minus 3. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9. Y is equal to minus 3x. So all these lines have negative slopes because A is negative. All these lines have negative slope. Let's summarize all these lines. All these lines have negative slopes and they are passing from 0 0 origin because B is 0. Thank you, beta.